Let's now see how we can process assemble to order document together with the sales order. And to start with this example, first thing that we need to do is check and set up our items. So I will go first to Business Central, to my Kronos USA demo company, and I will click items. And then I have set up on my item 1925-W conference bundle 1-6. When I open it, if I scroll down to replenishment fast tab, I can see that my item has replenishment system assembly and that assembly policy is assemble to order. If we take a look at the assembly bill of material, I will see that for this item I need 1 conference table Antwerp and 6 Mexico swivel chairs, and that Catherine needs to install this. Okay, let's now create one sales order. So for that I will navigate to my sales module and create a sales order. Then I will click new sales order and I will choose my customer 10,000. Okay, that's my customer. Okay, and in my lines, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select my item. So my conference bundle 1-6. Okay, I will pick location East because on this location I have inventory of my components, and then I will select 4. Notice in a few seconds that system will give us a warning about due date and so on, but what is more important, that now we see quantity to assemble to order 4. If you don't have this field in a sales order alliance, you can easily show this field from personalization and it will be here. Let's now drill down into quantity to assemble to order field. And here I can see, if I enlarge this screen, that for this sales order I need 4 Antwerp tables, 24 chairs and 4 hours of installation. In the home I can click show document, and when I click on it, it will open my assembly order. So it's the similar view. Let's now go back, and now when I post shipment from this sales order, system will automatically also process the assembly order because we have assemble to order policy. Let's try this. So I'll click post and I will select ship. So only shipment is needed. I'll click OK. As you can see here in the screen, system is also posting assembly and it will give me some warnings. So let's see what is the warning. So it says that we are missing posting setup for general business posting group empty and general product posting group services. Okay, let's now go and define this inside the Business Central, or we can select if we can accept recommendation, but for now it will not recommend anything, so it's empty. So let's go to general posting setup, and it says empty plus services. Okay, and we will copy everything from lines above. Okay, and if we scroll to the right, we don't need to fill in this, and we will copy this one and also just in case. And here we are going to as well copy 0, okay, like this. And if we scroll to the right, that's good. Let's now go back, one step back, and let's now try to post shipment again. Okay. Now our sales order has been shipped, and let's now go back and in a tell me, let's search for assembly order. So, and select assembly orders from the list. And here you can see my assembly order for conference bundle 1-6. Okay, I see that quantity to assemble is now 0 because we assembled the whole sales order, and we see that this is assembly to order policy because it has yes. When you click here, system will open the sales order that is related with this assembly order. And this is how easy you can process the assembly to order documents and policy inside the Business Central.